Today we're checking out the slip yoke eliminator and shaft kit for the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ with the NP231 Transfer Case, excluding the Unlimited. If you've lifted your TJ and now you're dealing with an annoying driveline vibration, especially at certain speeds, this is one of those upgrades that can completely change how the Jeep feels on the road. It's a practical driveline fix that's aimed at smoothing things out and helping your setup handle the extra stress that comes with a lifted suspension. The big goal of this slip yoke eliminator and shaft kit is to reduce driveline vibrations by helping correct the driveline angle on a lifted TJ with an NP231 transfer case. In simpler terms, this kit is designed to shorten the transfer case length and get you to a better driveline geometry. That's going to make the Jeep feel more stable and more comfortable to drive, especially if you're doing highway miles to and from the trailhead. Beyond just smoothing things out, this kit is also built to increase torque capacity, which matters if you're putting your drivetrain under more load with bigger tires, steeper terrain, or just overall harder use. It also includes all the installation hardware, which helps keep the job moving once you're into it. If you've been chasing vibrations with little band-aid fixes, this is the kind of upgrade that you do once and you can stop fighting the same problem over and over. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a heavy-duty metal build with a durable and corrosion-resistant natural finish. It's manufactured using high-grade, corrosion-resistant metal to help protect against rust and add resilience for harsh driving conditions where that drivetrain is constantly taking abuse. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $700 price range. Compared to repeatedly replacing parts or living with a Jeep that shakes and feels sketchy at speed, this is one of those upgrades where the payoff is in how much better the Jeep drives and how much confidence you get back, so the price is very easy to justify in my opinion. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated the full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 4 hours of your time if you know what you're doing and everything goes smooth. Now, this install is not for the faint of heart, so if you aren't 100% confident in yourself on this one, there is no shame in hiring a mechanic to get this job done correctly for you. All right, that wraps up my review of the slip yoke eliminator and shaft kit for the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ with an NP231 transfer case, but excluding the Unlimited. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.